Let's make Nigerian fish stew. In this bowl, I have my washed and cleaned fish cut into the right sizes I would like to use for this recipe. Then I will use some spices to marinate the fish. Some salt, ginger, garlic powder, turmeric, curry, and thyme. I'll go ahead and marinate the fish and allow it to sit for 1 hour before frying. This is Obi Kitchen, and you're welcome to my channel. The typical Nigerian fish stew can be used to eat boiled rice, boiled yam, or even pasta. When prepared very well, it is absolutely delicious. I have my vegetable oil on the fire, which I've added some spices into the oil to spice it up. Into the vegetable oil, I added some bay leaves, thyme, garlic, and little onion. That will make the vegetable oil more flavorful and the fried fish will taste even better. While frying the fish, will be gentle so it won't fall apart or scatter inside the oil. If you like my recipes, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and share them. We're done frying now. I'll go ahead and scoop the fish from the oil, out of the oil, into a bowl and set it aside. It's time to make the stew now. I have my pan on the fire, added some vegetable oil, then garlic, ginger, and turmeric paste, bay leaf, onion, some curry powder. Give it a good stir to combine properly. For this stew, I'll be using tomato, peppers, and onion blended together into a paste. Here I'll be adding the tomato and onion paste. Now we'll give it a stir. As you add your tomatoes while making stew, you give it a good stir. Continue stirring so it won't burn. Seasoning cube, dried oregano leaves, mix to combine, stir to combine. Then time to add the fried fish. Be gentle. After adding the fish, you give it a gentle stir. I'll be adding a little more water into the stew to cook. Approximately like half cup of water. Some salt to taste. Then I'll just give it a gentle stir. And stand by while the stew cooks. You don't go far so it will not burn. This Nigerian fish stew is very easy to make and everyone loves it. A sprinkle of spring onion is okay as our fish stew is almost ready. This is an easy stew recipe. Give it a trial and you will love it. This is a special thank you to my returning subscribers and to everyone who finds time to watch my video. Thank you so much. I love you guys. If there's any recipe you would like me to make a video on, just drop a comment in the comment section, write video request, and state the recipe you want me to make a video on. Our stew is ready. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next video.